I'm going to show you guys how I like to bleed my cooling system. You might get air pockets in the cooling system. Some symptoms would be your idle is kind of jumping up and down, or just straight up your engine's overheating. That's how you know you got air in your cooling system. So I like to jack the car up a bit, not too much, not so the wheels will leave the ground. But the reason you do this is because the air will always go to the highest point to escape. So you're basically trying to lift this as high as possible to get the air to come out to the highest point. These K motors are just known for having air pockets in the upper rad hose. So you really got to burp these guys. This is my ghetto version of buying a coolant burp kit with the big funnel. I'm just going to wrap the tip here in electrical tape so it'll fit tight inside the rad. So with a few layers of electrical tape wrapped around it, it fits pretty snug. I use the 50-50 mix so I don't have to add water. So go ahead and pour some coolant in. You don't have to go crazy high with it. Alright, my fan just turned on. Leave the thermostat open. Gonna squeeze the upper rad hose a few times. There's some air bubbles. Keep squeezing. Neat trick to stop all the coolant coming out. You just stuff a rag on a screwdriver. Just press it down hard. Minimal mess. Alright, that's how I burp my system. Engine should be running cool now. Just make sure you guys really squeeze on that upper rad hose.